In this tutorial, we'll give you a quick overview on navigating your CommBox signage. Let's begin by logging in. When you first log in, you will be presented with a quick overview of your CommBox digital signage network. Here, you will see the latest from the CommBox team, the statistics on your storage, licenses, bandwidth, screens online, and your latest file uploads. Let's begin by adding a screen. On the left-hand menu, click on the Screens button. If this is your first screen, you'll be asked to add your first screen by the pop-up window presented on the page. If this is not your first screen, you can use the Add Screen button in the top right-hand corner of the page. In here, you'll need to enter the unique code displayed on the device after installing the CommBox Signage Player app. You'll be able to give your screen a name and attach a license that is associated with it. Once done, select the Add Screen button. You can now see that we have added the screen. Let's add some content for your screen by going to the Media button. The Media section is where you can upload your content such as images, videos, websites, and templates. You can organize your media by creating folders. This will make content easier to find once your media library grows. Let's create a new folder and give it a name. Let's now add some content to this folder. Select the folder and go to the Add Assets button at the top of the page and select Add Images. There are two ways to upload media. Click the Browse button and search your device, or simply drag and drop some files from your computer. Note the recommended file sizes are listed below. When uploading content, make sure you upload the correct orientation to suit your screen. This may be landscape or portrait. Let's create a playlist for your content. Click on the Playlist button to the left-hand menu of the screen. If this is your first playlist, click on the Add Playlist button from the pop-up window in the center of the page. If you are creating additional playlists, click on the Add Playlist button in the top right of the screen, and let's give this playlist a name. Next, click on the Add Content button in the top right of the screen, which will bring up a media pop-up window and allow you to select the content for your playlist. Adding content is as simple as clicking on the assets. You can add multiple copies of the asset by clicking on it twice. You can also upload more content to your media library by using the Browse Files button. Once you have added your content, click on the X to close the window. You can change the duration of any images, templates, and websites. You can also rearrange your content by simply dragging and dropping them. There is also a button to duplicate or delete your content. Once finished, you can publish your playlist to your screen by going to the Publish button in the top right-hand corner. Select the screen or group of screens you would like to publish your playlist to and press Publish. Your content will now be downloaded and displayed on this screen. For signage that requires time or date sensitive ads, let's set a schedule. Click on the Schedule button in the left-hand menu of the screen. Schedules allow you to run a playlist for a selected time, day, or month. You can set as many schedules as you need ahead of time. Let's get started with a new schedule. If you do not currently have a schedule, use the Add Schedule button from the pop-up window in the middle of the page. If you want to add additional schedules, click on the Add Schedule button in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and let's give this a name. You can toggle between the calendar weeks by clicking either the Previous Week or Next Week buttons at the top of the page. To create an event, Click and drag over the area you would like to insert your playlist. From the pop-up window, select your playlist and select the days you would like to display this playlist. You can also set a start and end date for your playlist. Or select forever. Click Add Schedule once done. You can also set a default playlist from the button in the top right hand corner of the page. The default playlist will run whenever a schedule is not allocated to a time slot. Once finished, click on the Publish Schedule button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Select the screen or group of screens you would like to run this schedule and click Publish. And that's it. Enjoy simple signage. In the following video, we will run through the powerful yet simple to use Template Studio, guaranteed to have your content created and published in minutes. Our Template Studio gives you access to hundreds of professionally designed, ready-to-use templates that can be modified and live on your screen within minutes. Let's start by clicking the Templates button on the left-hand side. Scroll down and find a template that suits your needs. Once selected, you will have the option to edit this template. Click on the Start Editing button in the top right. Let's begin modifying this template. Each template allows you to replace the text, colors, and images. To replace an image, double-click on the image. A new window will appear, allowing you to upload your own media, or click Unsplash Photos to select from an online library of stock images. Let's choose Unsplash Photos in this demo. A new pop-up window will appear, allowing you to search for a topic of your choice. Type in your keyword and browse for your desired image. Click the Use on Template button to add this to your template. Click the X to close the window. Using the color options to the left-hand side, you can adjust the colors of your template. To replace the text, double-click into any text field and start typing. Depending on the orientation of your screen, the system will automatically scale your artwork to suit portrait or landscape. You can also save it as a square image to post on social media. Once completed, save your template to your media folder. This template will now be available as a media asset when creating your playlist. Thanks for watching.